I am finally monetized, guys. I'm so happy, to be honest. I'm so happy. In my previous video, I told you that YouTube demonetized my channel because of deceptive practices. And I also explained to you that I know fully well that I am following YouTube guidelines. I am following all of their rules. All my videos are strictly following YouTube guidelines and policy. And once I get the solution for my problem, I'm going to let you guys know. So here I am today to let you know that I have been successfully monetized. So let me explain to you what happened. First of all, I told you I had an issue with my AdSense, but I was able to fix it. I was having duplicate AdSense accounts at first, but I was able to fix it. Then after that, I applied for monetization, and they told me I was rejected because of deceptive activities. So I was wondering how my channel is being flagged for deceptive activity, because I know I am following all of YouTube guidelines. I am not violating any of their rules. So I said I am going to give you guys feedback when I fix this particular problem on my channel. So I went to every length just so I can put back my monetization. So I did so many research, guys. I did so many research. So I waited till 1st of November again, and I reapplied, and it was rejected. That means my application was rejected twice, to show that it is a bot that was actually reviewing my channel. So my channel was rejected twice. I reached out to YouTube support. They told me that my channel was rejected because of deceptive activity. So I'm starting to wonder now. It's like most of the people in that YouTube support, most of them, I don't think they are real humans, because if they check my videos, they will see that my channel is currently following YouTube guidelines. So I'm very sure they didn't check my channel. So what I went to do is this. I went to do my research. I did so many research. Some people were saying I should delete the video that got me the most watch hours, which was my live stream that got 40k views. So they were telling me to delete the video. I was like, what? I should delete it after all the suffering of me getting to that point. I should now delete it. So God do not allow us to suffer in vain. No? So I was able to find another way that told me that I should appeal. So they told me I should appeal. So I did my research on how to appeal properly for deceptive activity. I also know how to appeal for reused content. So if that is something you want me to make a video on, let me know. So I did my research on how to appeal for deceptive activity, because I had never seen something like this before. I've never encountered something like this before. So I did my research and I found a way to actually appeal this decision. So I went to my YouTube studio. I recorded all my pieces I needed to record. What they told me to do is I should say my name. After saying my name, I should say my channel name. Then I should say the channel URL. I should put the channel URL, and also I should tell YouTube when my channel was created. I did that. After doing that, I told them how I make my videos on my channel. I told YouTube how I make my videos on my channel, and I also viewed my most viewed video. I showed them the live stream to show that it is my face that is there and there's nothing wrong with the video. So I made the appeal, I uploaded it, I named it appeal video, and I sent it to YouTube. I put it as unlisted and I sent it to YouTube. So they told me they were going to get back to me in 14 days. So I was actually scared. I was like, what? 14 days? That's a long time. But I waited. I submitted this appeal since last 2 weeks or so. So I got the reply yesterday. They sent me an email telling me that my monetization has been reinstated. So guys, my monetization has been reinstated. So do not make that mistake of trimming your live stream, because that is what I did that got me into this problem now. That is what I did that got me into this problem now. But if you want me to help you fix your own problem, no problem. If you want me to help you fix it, no problem. Just join our membership. Or send me a mail so I can help you further. But I'm going to be leaving the appeal video in the description. So in case you want to join the membership, if you join the membership, you're going to get instant access to the appeal video I used that got me 100% reinstated back on my monetization. So I got my monetization instantly. So you can also do this to also get your monetization back in case you're having a problem of deceptive activity on your channel. I don't think there's any working video on YouTube currently. So my channel is to give you guys the masterpiece, to give you guys the best content ever. So if you know me by now, you know that I help a lot of creators get monetized on YouTube. So if there's something you want me to help you do, sure, reach out to me. So I'll be bringing new content for you guys. If you notice, since when I was demonetized, I have not been posting any content because my channel is not monetized, and YouTube, I don't know whether they watch the way they push videos that are monetized and videos that are not monetized, because they earn money through ads, and if ads are not showing on your video, if they are not showing ads on your video, they are not going to recommend your videos. So most of my videos are not being recommended, but I hope it will be different now that I'm monetized. So I will be uploading more videos. Just be expecting more content from me. I'll be making more videos very soon. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. I really appreciate. I am truly grateful. Thanks all for watching this far, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.